Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisionaire. Today onwards, we will be discussing 10 most expected questions of each chapter coming in your first term economics class 12th. We'll be starting with money and banking today, but before starting with money and banking, we should know what is the syllabus given by CBSE. So let us see the syllabus first and go through our syllabus. First, money, meaning and supply of money is in the syllabus. Currency held by the public and net demand deposits held by the commercial banks. Actually, they are telling the components of money supply. Then we have a very important topic called money creation by commercial banking system. And in the end, we have central bank and its functions. So students, here two things I have to tell you. There is no barter system in the syllabus. There are no functions of money in the syllabus. Just meaning of money and money supply. And secondly, we have only 4 functions which are coming as functions of central bank. We have bank of issue, government's bank, bankers bank, and control of credit, where we have monetary measures like qualitative and quantitative measures. So some teachers and students are confused at what all is coming in money and banking. So no commercial bank functions are coming except credit creation or money creation, and just 4 functions of central bank and the meaning of money and money supply. So barter, functions of money and other things are not coming, although you should know about it, but it's not coming in the exam. So let us start with the first question which is expected in the boards. The first question is 2 main components of money supply. So some students are confused between 2 main components and measures of money supply. Measures of money supply are M1, M2, M3 and M4. We are not talking about that. So we are just talking about 2 components of money supply. We have the options currency and time deposits, demand deposits and time deposits, currency and demand deposits, and saving and current deposits. So what is money supply? Money supply has 2 things. It is currency and demand deposit. Time deposit या FD या term deposit कभी भी money supply में नहीं आता. तो answer is C. Coming to question number 2. Money is dash. So they want us to tell the definition of money. Anything which requires double consonants of bond? No, it's an incomplete definition. Anything which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange? Yes. Anything which has value? No. All of the above. So the option is anything which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange is money. So we have covered the meaning of money and money supply. Coming to question number 3, which can be there. It's a year-based question. So when was RBI set up? RBI was set up in 1935. Then going to question number 4. There's a very common question I've seen in many sample papers. Which of the following issues ₹1 currency note? बहुत लोग पूछते हैं coins. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि आरबीआई ही सब कुछ प्रिंट करता है. आरबीआई जरूर सर्कुलेट करता है इन दोनों को भी, पर आरबीआई इनको प्रिंट नहीं करता, ना मिंटिंग करता है. सो दैट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस इज इन्वॉल्वड इन issuing currency notes and coins. Other notes are of course issued by RBI and they are printed by RBI. Coming to question number 5, which is a slight numerical based on credit creation. If initial deposit in the bank is 100 crore, अगर 100 crore बैंक में आए हैं, and the legal reserve ratio stands at 20%. 20% here, I give you one trick students. 20% अगर आता है LRR, तो हमारी जो इनिशियल मनी है वो 5 टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. अगर 25% आता है LRR, तो हमारी इनिशियल मनी 4 टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. अगर 10% आता है हमारा LRR, तो हमारी इनिशियल मनी 10 टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. और अगर 50% आता है तो हमारी मनी ओनली 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होगी. तो ऐसा क्योंकि बिकॉज 100 करोड़ इज द इनिशियल डिपॉजिट, इट हैज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड 5 टाइम्स एज द एरआर इज 20%. तो आवर आंसर इज 500 crores. If in place of 20% it was 10%, your answer would have been 1000 crores. This is how you have to do it. And the question can come on initial deposit also. They can give you what is the LRR. So use the formula 1 by LRR into initial deposit is equal to total deposit created. तो कोई भी चीज मिस होगी तो आप इजीली उसे कर लेंगे. Coming to the most expected question number 6, people get confused in CRR and SLR. So here they're asking CRR. What is CRR? CRR is fraction of total deposits of banks kept with central bank. कमर्शियल बैंक का जो पैसा सेंट्रल बैंक के पास रखना पड़ता है, दैट इज नोन एज CRR. और जो अपने पास लिक्विड रखते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज SLR, स्टैट्यूटरी लिक्विडिटी रेशियो, नॉट CRR. Coming to question number 7, the following is not the function of central bank. So very carefully आपको ये not word miss नहीं करना है. Which is not the function of central bank. Yes, it's a government's bank, Yes, it's lent to the government. Yes, it lends to the commercial bank. But central bank does not deal with public. So banking facility to public is not a function of central bank. Coming to expected question number 8. Again, it is basically general awareness. Dash is the present governor of RBI. So you must know that Shaktikant Das is the RBI. काफी लोग सोच रहे हैं अभी भी उर्जित पटेल जी गवर्नर हैं. So you have to get it right. Coming to question number 9. So now it is talking about deflation, or it can also talk about inflation. So they can also give you a small case study that Corona has caused a deflationary situation, or a demand has gone down. What should RBI do to correct this situation? तो अब deflation को correct करना है, लोगों के हाथ में पैसा देना है. So what has to be done? Securities are purchased by commercial banks? No. Securities are sold by commercial banks? No. Securities are purchased by central bank. Therefore, the money goes to the market. Money goes to commercial banks, and through commercial bank, the money goes to the public. So therefore, to increase the money supply, RBI has to buy the bonds, and to decrease the money supply, it has to sell the bonds. Coming to the last question, जो आज अब नया पैटर्न आया है उसमें AR questions हैं. You have to be very careful. I've just given you an example. We are expecting less AR questions on macro, but in Indian economy we are expecting AR questions. But just to understand कि AR क्या है, assertion एक statement है. देखते हैं क्या दिया है हमारे को यहाँ पे. Central bank advances loan to commercial bank against approved securities. Absolutely correct. Central bank loan देता है commercial bank को. Commercial banks always approach central bank for loans. No, they don't always approach. Central bank is the lender of last resort. When commercial banks do not get money from any source, they go to the central bank. So therefore the answer here is A is true, of course, and R is false. आपको ये बहुत ध्यान से करना पड़ेगा. And इसकी जगह वो statement 1 and statement 2 भी आ सकता है, where you can just say statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. And students, I assure you, if you cover these 10 questions, you're sure to get 80% in your boards, and rest 20% of course is your presence of mind and your ability to solve application based questions. So if you want to practice more questions like that, you can download our EcoVisioner app. And also if you want any material, EcoVisioner books on AR, EcoVisioner books on MCQs, or our study material or tests, you can contact us on 9953 682860. Take care. All the best for your exams.